If you've been struggling with breakage or keeping your color treated hair healthy, this wash day might be exactly what you need. I'm finally trying Olaplex for the first time to see if it lives up to the hype. Lately, I've been trying out new products, some on the pricier side, but I see it as an investment in my hair's health. Since coloring my hair, I've been focused on strengthening it and keeping my color vibrant as long as possible. Olaplex is known for repairing and strengthening damaged hair, so I decided to give it a try. For hair reference, my hair is high porosity, medium density, 3C4A curl type, and color treated. For this wash day, I started with the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo, which is designed to reduce breakage, strengthen hair, and gently cleanse without stripping moisture. It also hydrates, smooths, nourishes, and detangles, which is exactly what my hair needs. According to Olaplex, when used as a system with No. 3 and No. 5, this shampoo helps reduce breakage by 49% and improves manageability by 90%. And I have to say, it left my hair feeling clean but still moisturized, which I love. Next, I follow up with the No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner, which also helps reduce breakage while conditioning, hydrating, and improving shine. It contains panthenol and glycerin, which draws moisture into the hair to keep it hydrated and helps prevent breakage. It made detangling super easy, and my hair felt really soft afterwards. For my deep treatment, I used the No. 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask to replenish hydration and strengthen my strands. I let the mask sit in my hair for about 10 minutes, and after rinsing it out, my hair felt incredibly soft and looked shinier than usual. I could definitely see why Olaplex is so popular. My hair felt stronger, moisturized, and lightweight, which is exactly what I needed to maintain my color and overall hair health. Let me know in the comments, have you tried Olaplex? What was your experience? Let me know in the comments. Already drying. Out the shower, let's see what the hair looks like. As you can see, it's a little peek of the curls. They did come back. Let's see. Okay. Okay, Olaplex. See the back. Yeah, you do see that the high porosity is kicking in. It's already drying, so I gotta hurry up and blow dry. But if you like this wash day, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you tried Olaplex before. I used today the No. 4 shampoo, and I used the No. 5, the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Conditioner, and I used the Olaplex No. 8. This is the Bond Intense Moisture Mask. Let's see how we prep our hair for this silk press. If you like this wash day, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. And make sure you check out the next video where we're prepping for the silk press.